Meet Sam. Sam could be any student. Sam could be you. Sam has quite a few assignments on at the moment at school. Let's see how Sam uses Yahki to learn so much more. Sam has assignments on Convection, Westward expansion for US history, electrical currents, and ancient Greece. And so Sam has set up folders called sets for each of these assignment topics. Sam begins to work on her ancient Greece assignment. She's looking at home life, looking for a primary source that she can interpret. Sam finds this source, which looks perfect. She wants to collect it to use for her assignment. With Yahki, Sam has already placed the Yahki Collect applet on her browser, as you can see here. She clicks on Yahki Collect. Yahki Collect is a curation applet that sits in all the popular browsers and on iPads. It allows Sam to collect this item and to add it to her ancient Greece set. Now she has that in her Yahki set for further reference. She hasn't copied and pasted it. All of the citations and the metadata of the original site remain with that item in Sam's set. So Sam learns research skills through Yahki. As Sam reviews the site, she notices some information here about the use of slaves in home life. Again, she selects Yahki Collect, selects the text, collects it, and adds that to her ancient Greece set as well. She's going to use that later. Sam now moves on to his other assignment on electrical currents. Sam is using the Compose tool within Yahki. Sam has to create an assignment that teaches younger children about electric circuits. He uses Yahki to find videos, in this case from YouTube, but potentially from any other video repository. He finds this video quite useful in explaining the ideas to younger children. And so he selects this video for his Yahki assignment and adds it. So here's how Sam did that. On the Yahki Compose palette, Sam can draw across a range of multimedia for his assignments. He selected the YouTube icon here to search for that video. Sam could also search Google, including Google Images, Wikipedia, Flickr. He could add links to websites that he knows are useful. For older users, they can even find content through Twitter or Facebook. Now that Sam has selected the video, he can edit it without interfering with the original source. You'll see that Yahki brings up handles where he can select the section of the video which explains parallel and series to younger children. This is the section of the video that's most important, and so he selects that. Of course, there is far more to Yahki than simply allowing students to collect information and store it in sets or on assignment pages. Yahki includes text boxes. As you can see here, I can drag a text box onto any assignment page, and so Sam can begin to write ideas about his assignment. Sam can save his assignment to draft, preview it, or publish it. Publish it to his class or to his teacher, or in the case of older students, publish it to a wider network of Yahki users worldwide for global collaboration. For teachers, there's even the ability to publish to professional learning networks, locally and globally. So Sam publishes his first draft. He gives his work a thumbnail and a category, and automatically Yahki adds the assignment to his growing portfolio of learning. Teachers and peers can add comments and can even collect some of his resources for their own work. Sam can edit his assignment. You may have noticed he hasn't yet added tags. Tags are an important 21st century skill which Yahki allows students to develop. Sam starts to add tags. He finds that science is a topic already included in Yahki. He adds other tags. And this is a work in progress, so Sam adds that tag as well. And now he updates his assignment. Straight away, Sam can see other work by other students in his network on the topic of science. Sam notices that another author in his network, a teacher, has created an article on convection. And you might recall that convection is one of Sam's other assignment topics. Sam has a look and sees that this assignment has interesting information on how to explain convection. He sees there are links to other works on convection and links on how to write an explanation. He sees that there is a video on convection, so he takes a closer look. He looks at the details, and he can see that this teacher has collected the resource from another teacher in Kenya. Sam likes that resource, and Sam collects it and adds it to his own convection set. So with Yahki, you can find resources on the web, but you can also find resources within the Yahki network. Sam leaves a comment. And so we have a global network for learning, where a teacher in Kenya leaves a resource which is picked up by a teacher in Australia and then used by Sam in yet another country to help Sam's convection assignment. So when Sam goes back to his sets, he sees that his convection set now has one item in it. There's the video. Sam can give his set a cover. He might use that picture. And so now his convection set has a thumbnail. Sam's ancient Greece set can also have a cover. Sam also looks at his collected items. He can see the things that he has written. These are all Sam's writings. He decides to delete some edits which he doesn't need. And so he's curating his own writings over the school year. You can see other things that Sam has written on various assignments across the curriculum. Sam can look at his development in writing over the school year chronologically. Sam can see the videos, pictures, and quotations from other sources that he has been using for his assignments. Sam decides to add some resources to his electrical circuit set. He adds this to a set. Sam adds this text that he wrote earlier to his electrical currents set. He gives his electrical set a thumbnail. And now it's time for Sam to start working on her Westward expansion assignment. For this assignment, Sam is asked by his teacher to look up Westward expansion in Yahki. He has a look. You can see that there is an article in Yahki on Westward expansion, Manifest Destiny. He reviews the article. He sees the US H8 history tag, or US history in the 8th grade. He finds information about the westward expansion of the United States. Sam begins to collect resources for the assignment. As we know, Sam can click on an item within an article to leave a comment or to collect or like the item. If Sam clicks it a further time, Sam is taken to the original source on the internet, where Sam can see many other resources on the topic of westward expansion. Sam sees this map. He goes to the original site and collects that and adds it to his westward expansion set. Now Sam has some work to do, getting down her ideas about westward expansion. Let's see what Sam's westward expansion assignment looks like when complete. By now you might be wondering how Sam uses Yahki within the school management context. What sorts of controls are there for schools? How does Sam collaborate with his or her peers? Firstly, Sam can see his or her peers' assignments which are being developed in the class at the time as a school stream, only visible to members of the school. If Sam is a senior student, Sam also has a public domain where he or she can work. For younger students, Yahki provides a walled garden, an education channel just for the members of the school. You might also have noticed that Sam has the ability to join groups. From time to time, teachers across the school might provide a code to Sam to use to join a new group, perhaps for a group activity, a special program, gifted and talented, or remedial work, which is for a smaller subset of the class. You can see here in the education channel that Sam has a number of assignments and sets which relate to work purely within the school, and sets which relate to Sam's schoolwork only. Sam's teacher automatically receives a notification when Sam has begun or completed assignments. Sam's teacher can even see Sam's drafts to give feedback and formative assessment. Sam's teacher might also have a public blog using Yahki, but within the school space, Sam's teacher is able to go into the channel management tools, add teachers, add students, or add groups. With the new version of Yahki, you can create school groups in seconds. Simply click Add Group, give your group a name, select a subject area and a grade level or year level, select the relevant teacher, and save. Now you've created a group. The new Yahki automatically creates a group code. As a teacher, you simply give Sam and the other students that code, and they enter it into their Yahki login, and automatically they become a member of your special group. For schools new to Yahki, teachers provide codes to the students, and students can log into Yahki. When students go to yahki.com, they simply click on sign up as a student, they add their name and their code. All the other fields are optional. They select a password, click next, and automatically they have a Yahki account, which also has the safe walled garden option, and they're automatically set up within the group the teacher established with the code. So it's so much easier now to simply set up your class and get running with Yahki, the world's most powerful online learning tool. Thank you.